Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2008 Toyota Camry, and on this Toyota Camry we're going to talk about how you replace the door window switch. Well, it operates the windows and the lock, well, the locks and the to lock your windows also, but this whole switch, the way you replace it. So the way you have to remove the door panel, and then once you remove the door panel you can slip this over and undo a few screws and get that. So back here on the back we have this electric connector. There we go. So this, you push the tab on the bottom side and then this collar slides and then the whole thing will slide back. It's stuck on there a little well, and then we have 3 screws here to remove. With those 3 screws removed, you can now just pop this whole window switch out, get your new one. And what will happen a lot of times, these little toggles, when they're old and worn out, they'll pop off, or these rockers, they'll be really loose and won't make the quality connection. So you just take your new one, put it back in the reverse order, and we just line it up, snap it in place, and then put the 3 screws. And so once you've reinstalled those screws, then just go ahead and alright. So once you're able to get that to go in, you may have to remove this clip over here to give you the space needed, because this is like a pullback collar, and with it partially in, it's tough to get it in. So then we push it in, and then we snap the collar in and lock that into place. So that's how you replace your door window switch on your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.